Okay, welcome back to the 2021 Virtual University Rover Challenge. We're here with Husky Robotics at the University of Washington, and they're competing in the Equipment Servicing Mission and Autonomous Navigation Mission. Get started by introducing judges and getting started into the team prep. And then when the judges would like to start the official timer, we can begin the task.
Okay.
You still need to do the weigh-in, right?
We can do that in the setup time.
So the setup time is part of the official time?
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, I'm not sure how ready we are. Hey, Ben?
Okay.
So they say that the weigh-in time counts as part of our setup time, so it is part of the official time.
All right. Can we actually see it, like, put on the scale or something?
They're still trying to figure, because the person that was sort of overseeing weigh-in is also the person that's setting up the part, so we're trying to figure out who's doing what.
Is it possible to measure it? Anyone, if you operate a tape measure?
Yeah. I mean, it's not that hard.
Yeah, we can do the sizing if somebody's got a tape measure.
Yep.
Do you think that this is set up for the equipment servicing?
Yeah.
So that setup time is taken care of. That setup time otherwise is out there.
Okay.
As long as you are looking in this direction for the most part, we should not have any sort of contamination of the results.
Right.
But if we just do the way it right now, then we start and we look over there and start setting up the sticks.
51? 130?
Yeah, go for it. I don't think we need you here.
That's over size. It's supposed to be 120. Can you put it on the very back there and then take it to the front, straight across?
Hey, guys. So they're saying the Rover's oversized. Are you measuring from the right spot? Can they not? I mean, they don't have one of these things in. Who's sharing the camera? Robin, can you go ask them if they can hear?
Did you have another camera that you wanted to have join us, or someone else popped on?
Yeah. Okay, guys, stand back. Stand back from the room.
120. Okay, you're good now. Perfect. All right, show me the other direction.
All right.
All right, great, perfect. Thank you. All right, and if we can see it weighed at some point, that would be good.
Okay, the scale's right there.
Right, and this is going via like Bluetooth to somebody's phone or something.
Which is?
The weight.
Oh, yeah, I think
Okay,
then
I got
someone has to be up there.
48.3. Okay, great. Can I see that change when the rover's lifted off? Can I see that go back to 0?
This is without the wooden board we have on top of the scale.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, this is with
Or,
the.
no, it's with. Sorry.
They said they want it to go back to. Yeah, I know. I unmuted.
Hold on.
They want to see it go back to 0 with.
Okay. I don't know how to zero this with.
Yeah, there was.
Can you take it off? Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't really 0 because it's a.
Okay.
All right. Okay. We'll take your word for that
so
then.
if I step off, it goes back to 0. I don't know if you can see that.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna put the board on top and take a reading with the board only.
So yeah, it says 0.0 kp. Is that fine?
Really?
It's not.
7.2.
So yeah, the board is 7.2
Okay.
kg. If you can see that.
Right. Okay. Fair enough. Thank you.
And then the rover?
And then should we put the rover back on or?
Sure. Yeah. Let's just do it properly and be done with.
Yeah.
Okay.
7.2. Okay. Is it not? Oh. Wait. Hold on. It's not connected. What? It's not connected.
Oh, now it says not connected.
What?
It was 48.3, right?
Dude, yeah, I
Right.
think it was 48. No, Jacob, it's just not connected.
It's not connected.
Scale broke or something.
We have to turn it off.
I don't know.
Like lift the rover up.
Yeah.
Grenade, do you want to lift the rover up?
Wait, no. We need to take this off because my app just doesn't connect right now. Can you take the board off? Okay. Board? Can you put the board on?
Yeah. Yeah, and then so yeah, that's 7 point.
Wait, stop.
7.1,
Hold on.
and then yeah, now we're putting the rover
Okay,
on.
putting the rover on. 7.1.
Okay.
48.3.
Oh, so you're even lighter than that. You're 7 kilograms under that. Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Perfect.
We have to wait the toolbox.
Should we weigh the toolbox now?
If you want to, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, they said if you want. Yeah, it's
You
not
need to
far.
do it now or during the task. So.
Yeah, it's probably easier to get it done now. We'll
And you
take
guys
off
can be
the rover.
setting up those posts already.
Yeah, they are being set up.
Okay.
Do you need to see that or? It's like they're all there.
You'll have to stand with it. You'll have to weigh yourself. Okay.
I think you can just put it on, right?
No, it's not heavy enough.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
All right. Can you stand on? Cause I'm holding this up. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so that's
All right.
73 kg of just him
Now
standing.
give him the toolbox to hold.
Yeah. Hold the toolbox and get back on.
That's
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
That's 2.8 forward. Okay. Yep.
Right. Just a little over 2 and under 3. That's all I needed to see.
Perfect.
Or
Thanks.
honestly, you can make it as heavy as you wanted, for that matter. One team did it with 5 kilograms, just because they could.
Oh wow. What? Somebody's toolbox is 5 kg.
Oh wow.
Is there anything else we need to measure and or weigh?
Not before you start, no.
Okay. Perfect. Okay. I'll do
So, Jacob, I don't have the GPS, like rough GPS coordinates for the autonomous cart yet. Which email did they send that to?
Jacobs.
They say they sent it to you.
They sent it to me particularly. Okay, I'll get my laptop number and send it to you.
Okay.
If you need me to resend it to a different one, send me an email to reply to.
Oh, yeah, sure. Can you send it to mine?
All right, should be coming your way.
It's the right email address. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, yeah.
You might want to verify that is at your location, not at the other alternative site.
What would be an easy way to do that? I'm not sure there's an easy way to do that.
Google Earth if you've got Wi-Fi.
Yeah. All right. I'll do that. If we have
Just drop
time.
the first pin in. It'll either be in that field or it'll be up in the middle of campus.
Got it. Okay. Okay. So the first pin. Okay, that's correct. Yeah.
All right, great. Didn't want you to discover I gave you the wrong file at when you're supposed to be driving.
And then the rover runs across campus to the other site. That'd be pretty cool.
Well, I've seen two teams head off at 90 degrees the direction they should have gone, so I'm pretty sure they put the latitude and the longitude in backwards.
Well, there are many possible bugs that could cause that. In fact, I'm not sure our autonomous stuff is going to work at all today. We'll see when we get there.
All right. Well, best of luck.
Yeah. All right, so
we have all the information to you now. We're going to get you started on your 10-minute setup time.
Okay, that sounds great.
Okay, starting now.
All right, so what are we allowed to do during the setup time?
Whatever you want.
Whatever we want.
Anything you need to get the rover ready to go.
Okay. Our just so everyone knows, our official setup time has started. We have 10 minutes to get everything set up. Yeah.
You don't have to use all that
like,
time. Whenever you're ready to go, you let us know, but we're starting the clock on you in 10 minutes, whether you're ready or not.
Okay. Yeah, so the first task is equipment servicing, right?
Correct.
Correct. Okay, so yeah, I guess we just need to move the rover to equipment servicing. I think that's the only setup we need to do, right? Unless there's anything left to do on the... Okay.
So
I guess we should just carry the rover rather than waste battery driving.
yeah.
Oh dear. I'm already running into some lag. Oh my god. I feel like we should also be live streaming my computer screen, you know.
Yeah, for the equipment task, feel free.
Yeah, if you could set up an OBS stream, add as a webcam.
That is beyond me at the moment, but
Well, maybe if we end up doing another virtual competition, we'll have to require that, as we shied away from that a little for this year. Hopefully
yeah,
we
that's
won't have
fair.
to do 2 million person, but
I'm just thinking more for posterity, so we have like a record, like for ourselves, like knowing what the interface looked like and what kind of problems we had. It'd be good to have
well,
that.
if you want to take the camera that's in front of you right now and set it on your keyboard or whatever, that's okay with me. It doesn't really matter for the equipment task.
I see. Okay.
A couple of teams who've had problems with their camera in the field, we've actually asked them to do that.
I see.
Yeah, but like, not even.
Whoever's in the field, you need to angle your camera up a little bit. We've been seeing an awful lot of grass.
Two minutes of setup time remaining.
Thank you. Does it matter whether, for the equipment servicing task, does it matter whether we do the tasks in order?
No, any order you want.
Okay.
You've been sent the scores?
Yes.
Okay, great.
All right. Can someone go tell them that we have like 1 minute left and they should probably get out of the way? Please, thank you. So I guess, yeah, if we want to move this camera for this part, just so we can, I don't know how well we'll be able to see the laptop screen. Okay, never mind, this is too difficult.
Didn't seem too bad.
It seemed okay? Okay. Yeah, can you see anything on the screen there?
No, it was better from the other side. Right now I've got a lot of glare from this side.
Oh, I see.
Okay, that got rid of the glare.
No, it's kind of in the way of my hand.
Well, that's up to you.
Setup time is over. You have 30 minutes for the task, starting now.
Okay. Here I go. Oops. Yeah, up. Down. Whoops. Ooh, the shadow helps tell with depth perception. That's pretty cool. All right. Do you think it's open all the way? Just gonna back up and see whether the drawer looks like it's open. Okay, I think the drawer is open. Now I need to figure out where the toolbox is. Where's the toolbox? Oh, is it in the drawer?
Yeah.
Oh, aren't we supposed to put the toolbox in the drawer? Wait, guys, the toolbox is supposed to start outside the drawer.
Have somebody quickly go put it somewhere in the field in front of you, about 5 meters away.
Hey guys, can you hear me? I guess once you go out, you can't come back or something.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, the toolbox is about 5 meters away over there.
Oh, the toolbox is out there somewhere? Where the fuck is it? I'm sorry, I shouldn't swear. That's
Yeah,
a
it's
laptop.
5 meters to the right of the drawer.
5 meters of the drawer? I can't. Oh shoot, the camera isn't pointing the right direction. I should have helped with the setup maybe? Like the mask camera is pointing in the completely wrong direction. guess that is a toolbox, but the mass camera is still pointing in the wrong direction. Should we take an intervention for this? Because it's going to be really hard to do this with the mass camera pointing in a weird. I don't know. Let's try it without the intervention first, I guess. So I wanted to pick up the toolbox by the handle, right? Okay. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, I should twist this back. That's what I should do. Huh? That's not what I expected to happen.
Tim, can you swap the feed?
Get rid of it. That'd be a little handy, but I feel like the arm's actually caught on it right now. Okay, so I need to lift this up. Why is this not? So down should. Oh, I see. I see.
All right, Tim, we have the field view back again now.
Yeah, sorry,
you.
I think we got disconnected. It's the network's not great.
Yeah, don't worry. Everybody's having the same issues.
Got it. What? Oh, this is the wrong button. I was so excited about grabbing the handle. Okay, now what? I guess we lift the elbow. I mean, they can maybe. Oh, fuck. Lost the hand camera. I'm not sure what happened there. That's odd. I just lost the hand camera, so we're going to need to somehow reconnect that if I want to do anything. The elbow does not have enough power to lift this toolbox. Maybe if I just hold the button forever. Maybe if I close the shoulder and then lift it. Oh, the hand is gonna break. Holy shit, look at that. I think I'm breaking the hand. This is terrible. Okay, shoulder going all the way down. All right, I'm dropping the box. Okay, elbow could not lift the toolbox. So now, what do we do? We can do the toggle switches at least. Well, without the hand cam, we can't do the toggle switches. So, what are the rules? How do interventions work?
Anytime you want, it's a 20% penalty on your final score. But if you need to go in and fix stuff, go do it.
Okay.
Right now, you've got 8 points. So there's a difference between you getting some more or getting nothing.
Yeah. How much time do we have left?
19 minutes.
Okay. Can we get points for closing the drawer if the toolbox is not inside?
Yes.
All right, let me just do that then. I hope the Rover can drive over that toolbox.
If it can't, you're going to have real fun on the delivery task.
Okay. All right. I think so the drawer, the way we manufactured it, doesn't close. Doesn't look like it closes all the way, but that's as far as it goes.
Yeah, it looked like it's about as far open as it was when you started. I'll give you that.
Okay. All right. We can see if I can do the switches without a hand cam. I think we should try to do more stuff without the hand cam. So am I allowed to go? No, I'm not allowed to go do that, right? Because then I'll see the autonomous.
Right.
Okay.
And you'll see the panel close up. You're not supposed to.
Right.
Like I said, it's only a 20% penalty for an intervention.
Yeah. I think
right now you're on 10 points, so you'll get 8 instead of 10. And if you manage to do the switches, that's another.
Oh, wait. I got the hand camera back. Okay. We're good.
All right. Even better. Don't you love electronics?
Yeah. At least I thought I had to go right. Let's do it. Let's do it this way. Wait, what? Why does the hand camera look like it's upside down? All right, whatever.
Shit, I don't understand.
Oh, did I do it? Okay, one down. Okay, I'll go up. All right, I think that's all the switches. I'm worried that this isn't flipped all the way.
Yep, good job.
Okay. All right. Now I need to open this keyboard thing that I accidentally closed. What the hell? Which three-letter code are we supposed to type?
You're the Huskies. How about dog?
DOG. All right. Cool. Why can't I turn farther? I'm probably, that's probably like 20 Ds. Does that, how does that affect our score?
Can you
Do
see
we still
how
get
many
points if,
pressed?
do we still get points if we have 5 Ds?
Yeah, I mean, we'll give you partial points.
Okay. Should I try again to, oh, maybe I can go hit backspace and actually enter the proper code? Okay.
That would be better. How can you see how many you've pressed?
We can't.
You don't know. All right. Okay.
The screen's like off to the side here. I can't really show both at the same time.
Right. Well, yeah, it's I'm interested from the controller's perspective. So the controller cannot tell how many times he's pressed it, if at all.
I wonder if we even like set it up so that it like doesn't do multiple.
Oh, I think your plug is gonna, you gotta put it back in and then try to do it again.
Put it back in.
Yeah. You gotta put both back in, and then take it out. Take the right one out first, and then
Which is the right one? This one?
that should work. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. What am I running into? I'm running into something. I cannot tell what I'm running into. Oh, this thing? How do I tell? Actually, I should get out of the way because I can't see. It's
10 minutes remaining.
however many O's that was.
That's even more D's than last time.
Holy Nikes. How did we
Okay.
get that many D's?
Whoever's in the field needs to zip it.
I really can't see with the shadows. Holy fuck, I just stabbed that keyboard so hard. I need to stop cussing. Why did it hire me for this? Yeah, I wonder why invisibility is so much worse now than it was a minute ago. I think it might be. Like, I don't know. I don't know if he steps back. Like, all right, I'm gonna just try to step back. And maybe if I chase him, will he get out of the way?
Just shout, step butterfly.
Just try. Thanks.
Oh.
There we go.
Still too bad. Ah. Oh, that's not the right letter. Hey, I accidentally hit the G. Okay, I have no idea what exactly we spelled, but
Do you want to see the results screen?
Sure. Show us what you got.
So it opens something on Microsoft Word, but there is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just close that quick.
I know, but like some of the G was entered in like this menu bar.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right.
Okay. How much time do you guys have
There's
left?
a D, and then there's a G
Kevin?
there.
Sorry, Andrew.
Six minutes left.
All right. Is there anything else you can try?
Well, we can try to tighten the screw, and let's do the joystick first, though. What?
What's the maximum min on the joystick gauge?
I think the people in the field are going to have to answer that one. I'm not totally sure.
It's 4.5 in the middle, so I'd say 0 to 9.
Okay, sure. Make it 9 volts then. I can't see that. I just get a reflection of your camera. Can you move to the other side?
Okay.
Can you put your hand over it so I can
Shade
get some
over it.
shade? I just got a reflection.
Oh, they just see a reflection of the. Oh.
Yeah, I got a beautiful view of the rover in the field and Quantum, but I cannot read the gauge.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a way to fix this.
Oh, I see the gauge.
if I put,
Oh,
like,
I saw
really
the gauge for a
close?
second. Back it out a little, drop it down. All right, that's a needle gauge.
Can you see it?
I can see the markings. I cannot see the needle. I have no idea where the needle is. Can you move it down to the right a little? No,
Yeah, the needle is like at the max.
I think they currently just have to take your word for that.
Sure. I will take your word for it. Fine. Put it at 4.5 volts.
4.5, huh?
Plus or minus 0.5.
I forget. I
Can
think
you
if we
see
just
that
let
on the
go of it, it
controller?
goes to 4.5, which is like our gauge is a little bit weird. I think if we just let go of it, it'll go to 4.5. So.
Oh, okay, sure. Make it 6 volts then.
Okay.
Can you see that at the control panel?
Like from here?
Yeah.
I can't see the gauge.
You can't see the gauge, so you don't know
No.
where it's at.
I don't.
Okay, because I was going to say, you can just show me your view.
Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know. This is going to be somewhere.
Oh, I see the blue line.
Yeah, it's the blue line. I think it's so 4.5 is the top and 9 is all the way to the right. So
That's the right.
6 is kind of in the middle.
Yeah,
red.
can you give me a better view on that? I can't see the blue line anymore. Move it to the right a little.
I'm trying to get the best angle.
Yeah, I'm mostly looking at a reflection.
Let me see. I can take a photo of it on another phone and then maybe show you guys the photo. That might be better. Because I'll have more brightness. Tell me to hold it. Hold this thing and then let me.
Can you throw somebody's coat over it?
2 minutes remaining.
They said something. I don't know what they said.
Or take a photo. Yeah,
Does anyone have a jacket?
take a photo of it and bring it back to the command
So
station.
I was able to get a photo of. I don't know if this is any better.
Can you read it? Because I can't.
Okay, I'm just gonna go away.
Like halfway
Yeah, just go do whatever you can. You got like less than 2 minutes left.
Right, we're definitely not going to be able to finish this, but in the spirit of die trying, let's try to screw this thing.
This is the way to go.
Maybe we can pick up the screwdriver at the time limit.
Yeah, I have a photo of the gauge with the blue line. Is there a way I can, like, I don't know, send that to you guys?
No, just bring it back to the control station and we'll take a look in a minute once you're
Okay,
otherwise out
sure.
of time.
Yeah, I need to somehow get this with the proper grip. Maybe slightly higher. Is that time?
That's time.
All right.
All right.
Grab the
Okay.
screwdriver. All right, we're done.
Whoever's got the photo of the gauge, you want to bring it back and show it on the other camera so that we can
Sure, I'll
see
do
that.
that. Let me hand this off to somebody else for a minute. What do you? So I have the photo of the gauge, so I'll go show it to them. And then somebody. This.
Andrew, what do you think on the three-letter code?
Well, they did get at least one D,
Yes.
so that's got to be worth something, and a G at the end.
I didn't see an O in there.
I did not see an O either, no.
All right. What do you think? Give him like 7 points for that?
Yeah, 7 sounds good.
All right.
I think that's...
Can you show that gauge again, please? And
Yeah. Okay.
zoom in on.
So that's 4.5, so 5 should be there. 6 should be maybe about there. What do you think, Andrew? Is that close enough, maybe? About
Yeah,
2
it's
flips?
probably around 7. I think that's probably good enough.
All right. Sure. We'll give that to you guys for a bit of dumb luck.
Okay. What to say? He said they'll give it to us for a bit of dumb luck because, like, since we couldn't see the gauge anyway, we were kind of just randomly moving the the lever. Yeah.
It's pretty good precision, seeing as you can't see the gauge. So
Yeah, I mean, how you know how long to hold the gauge down for to get it in the right spot? I mean, you know. All right, good job, guys. You're in your 10-minute setup for the autonomy at the moment.
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
10 minutes.
But I have you as 42 points on the equipment panel, so that's really good going.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, that's as far as it goes. Okay. So that. Wow, that's a lot of wind.
Oh, that's the wind.
Okay, should we take the arm off for the autonomy section? I think we should. So I'm not allowed to go out there and set up. Can we get a walkie-talkie or something?
I probably want to take out the arm for the autonomous.
And can we also fix the mask cam? Right now it's pointing in a weird angle.
Fix the what? Sorry.
It's like for the mask cam seems like it's pointing in a strange direction.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll fix that and we'll take the arm off.
Okay, thank you.
one more thing. Can you show us the rover how it indicates when it thinks it's at a waypoint or through a gate?
There's no LED on the rover to indicate that. There's just console output on my end.
Okay, you'll have to show us that so that we can see that.
Okay.
So yeah, apparently, so
The mass camera angle is a bit off.
Okay. Well, we can do some additional setup because you're going to move the antenna to the other side here. Is that all right?
Move the antenna?
Yeah, we're going to move it to home plate and face it towards
Oh, I think that's fine. Yeah. Are you like disconnecting me from the rover in the meantime?
right now.
I'm compiling stuff on the rover. Is that bad?
So do you need the connection right now?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay, so
hey Nathan, what do you want us to do to the camera?
Let me. I'll open up the camera on my end and tell you how to adjust it.
Okay. Because all I can really do here is just angle it up and down.
Okay. Can you angle it a little farther up? That's perfect. I think that's good enough. Well,
Okay, perfect.
maybe a little farther up. I think I just lost a connection to the camera. Can someone check whether it's still plugged in? Okay, it's back. Don't touch it anymore.
So is this placement fine?
Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Oh, and am I allowed to know roughly what direction the rover is pointing when this starts?
You guys can stick it anywhere you want as long as it's in one of the corners or outside the field. That's up to you guys.
Okay. So can whoever is moving the rover to the starting location, can you point it as best you can, point it due east?
Okay, we'll point it east.
Yeah. All right. You can move it to the starting location now. They said it just has to be outside the starting square. Or if due east is like a bad direction, I don't know if there's like a better direction to start it. Just point it in one of the cardinal directions and let me know which one you picked. Well, I can figure out which direction I should point it myself, actually. Right. I need a mouse. Okay, is the rover where it's gonna start?
Could we get the starting location? We have it placed like in an east direction, but we don't know what the exact starting point's supposed to be.
It doesn't matter.
Outside this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would suggest one of the corners, but you can put it anywhere you want as long as it's either in the corner or outside of that marked box.
Are they allowed to put it like as close to the first post as possible?
No.
No. Okay. I mean, while being outside
Setup
that box,
time
obviously.
remaining.
Oh, while being outside the box, I suggest putting it in one of the corners, because otherwise you may have other posts and obstacles in between you where you start and that post. If you put it in one of the corners, you will have a straight shot, unobstructed shot at the post.
Okay. That sounds great. I like unobstructed. Is there
Okay,
over
so
in one of the corners?
We'll put it in one of the corners.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
Okay, so we've placed it at this corner, and the field is like there.
And it's still facing east?
Yeah, it's facing east.
All right. I guess.
This is east, so it's almost facing.
Gosh, the starting location is still really far away.
Yes.
Okay. Or like the first post is still really far away.
So I should just follow the rover, right?
Yes, please.
Okay.
When the rover gets where it's going, we need to see it's next to the post or through the gate, right? So we're not going to be able to see that from 50 yards away.
Okay, your 30-minute course time starts now.
Okay. I'm recompiling it, but I'll give this a shot in just 30 seconds when it's done compiling.
All right. And when it gets there, we'll need to see whatever readout you have that the rover thinks it's where it should be.
Okay. There's a Slack message from Evan that says, whoever's filming, make sure not to go in front of the camera.
Yeah, I'll be behind the rover, like this angle.
That's fine.
Okay. All right. I'm going to tell it to go. Ready, guys? Oh, yeah. Fingers off the keyboard. We just have to get to the first post. For some reason, it's not rotating to face the target heading. I don't know why. Heading calculation. Oh, wait, why is he using the ODOM heading calculation? Am I not getting any GPS data?
All right, we need hands off the keyboard while it's in.
Oh, I'm sorry.
autonomy mode.
I forgot. Oh, there's too much glare.
That was fine, actually.
No, it's, as far as I can tell, just driving forward for a while and then turning a little bit left and repeating ad infinitum.
Spiraling in.
Yeah, maybe it'll eventually see the post accidentally.
And now, what algorithm did you program for it to drive to the waypoint?
Well, we did a lot of stuff in simulation that assumed that we would have a heading sensor. But now our GPS, like, we don't have a heading, like a compass, as it turns out on the real Rover.
GPS.
Yeah, so we had to change a lot of things at the last minute and didn't get much time to test it on the actual Rover. Yeah, I'm trying to think what makes, like, I could try to just debug this, but like right now the Rover thinks it's going in completely the wrong direction, but for some reason it's not taking the time to actually correct its heading.
What information do you have on the screen? Is it just GPS output?
Yeah, it's just printing out what it estimates the rover's current heading is and what the direction, like the heading of the, like what the correct heading would be to go towards the gate based on the GPS coordinates.
Okay.
And it says that it's off by like 120 degrees, and it's just not turning. I wonder, okay, I think pretty clearly it's not going to make it, so. Yeah, okay. Should we can like restart, right?
Yeah. You can.
Okay, I think we better.
You can tell it to autonomously return for no penalty. You can drive it back by hand for 50% penalty on that leg, but only applies to that leg.
Okay, and we have to drive it back rather than just carry it. We have to drive it back, or can we carry it back?
That would be an intervention. That's a 20% penalty on the entire score.
Okay. I think we'd better carry it back. Let me disable autonomous mode. Can someone carry it back to the start? I'll see if I can figure out what's wrong, and we can try again. Thanks.
Should we put in the same starting point or?
Yeah, same starting point sounds good.
Okay.
So what's happening is when we turn to the target, okay, so it's requesting too high of a theta speed. So
Okay, we've placed it back at the starting point, so I think we're ready to restart.
okay. I'll need another couple of minutes. Okay. So then the other thing we want to do is if
With 20 minutes remaining.
yeah. Okay, it's compiling. We'll start it moving again in about 1 minute. Okay. Starting autonomous navigation. Oh, right, it's in autonomous mode. I shouldn't be touching the screen, but it's still not really doing the right thing. Right, let's do another intervention. I'm gonna stop it. Can you
Do you
bring it
want us
back to
to
the
bring it back
start?
to the
Yeah,
bring it back
please
to
bring
start
it back
again?
to the
Okay.
start. Yeah.
Okay.
So the heading error is a very large value, but for some reason, it's still yes.
Same position facing east.
Yes, same starting position.
Do you need to be driving it at the moment?
Yes. Sorry, I think it's
Is
my
it in
keyboard
autonomy?
again.
All
Is
right,
it what?
okay.
Yeah,
It's in autonomous
autonomous.
mode?
Yes.
All right, great.
Okay, but we have to reset it again.
Immediately? Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just running
So
into an issue where it should turn as long as a heading error is greater than 0.3, and it's telling me the heading error is 0.95, and then it says the error is small enough. So I don't
okay.
know what's going on.
Yeah, we'll bring it back. How many points are we now? How many points have we lost?
We haven't scored any yet, so.
Well, so we've lost 20% of 0 points, so it's fine.
Okay. Oh, 20%, not 20 points. Which is 0. So. Oh, okay.
For some reason, is absolute value not working? Do you think? Okay, I'm activating autonomous mode now. So it's supposed to recalibrate every 15 meters. It should take about 30 seconds at this speed. Probably should try to turn it by now. Oh my god, why is it not turning? I mean, it thinks it's right next to the target right now. I don't know if it actually is, but if it is, the camera's not seeing it.
There's a target like over there.
Well,
I don't know if that's
whoever's
the one
in the
it's
field, zip
trying to
it.
see.
Am I allowed to be looking at the video stream?
So we lost your audio there.
I was just like, just kind of curious about the rules. Like, am I allowed to be looking at the video stream?
Yeah, please do.
Well, like, no, this like the video stream that includes the person in the field with the camera.
No, you're not allowed to watch the video stream of the person in the field. You can
Oh,
watch any
okay.
video stream coming off the rover at all. Yeah, watch
Right.
anything that's coming off the rover, but not.
Yeah. So technically, I don't know how do we hide that from us. Okay, how much time do we have left?
7 minutes, 40 seconds.
Still 7 minutes. Wow. Is the camera pointing at the ground right now? It kind of looks like the camera might be pointing at the ground. Oh, right. Anyway, I don't think it's going to reach the goal at this point. Let's do another intervention.
You can take a look at the video feed coming off the rover if you want. I'll let you touch the keyboard to bring that up.
Yeah, well, we believe it or not, we can't do that because when the rover's using the camera, we haven't set it up so that we have access to the camera as well. So, and we only have one camera on the rover right now. All right, let's do it. Let's do an intervention. I'm going to stop the rover. Y'all let me know when you're tired of this and we should just give up.
I'll tell you about it when your time's up.
Okay.
I'm sure your team will too. Yeah, next year work on situational awareness for yourself, for the controllers.
What do you mean?
Like having the camera feed.
Yeah. Okay, the camera feed looks fine.
Or go find some videos of some of the other teams doing this. Perhaps not from this year.
Perhaps not from this year? Well, okay.
So, are we in the same place? I'm sorry, we're in the same place. Is that?
Yeah, I mean, same spot, yeah.
Okay.
So, 3, make a point. All right, this is my last idea. If this doesn't work, then we'll just not.
Five minutes remaining.
Before we begin the next round, can we confirm the location of post 1 just to make sure we have it in the correct location?
Sure. Give me a second. All right, both the people who placed the post, and I'll type it in the chat. Can everybody see that?
See what?
Can everybody see the chat, or do you need me to read it out to you?
We'll have the post placer place the post according to the coordinates that they got.
Right.
Let me know when you're ready for me to start it again.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you want to have somebody in the field go double check the coordinates of where you placed it, that feel free.
Yes, thank you. We're having somebody do that right now.
All right. We'll have to be quick, though. We're running out of time.
Okay.
Yeah, on the subject of situational awareness, we had this whole dashboard built with that displayed all the stuff that the rover was thinking in terms of planning to go around obstacles and stuff.
Right.
We can't use that because it all depended on having a heading sensor.
Well, next year. It's been a tough year. I mean, most people haven't even worked on their rover and haven't even been able to touch it for a year or so.
Right. Yo, ready? I think we have about like 2 minutes.
Yeah, get going.
We have a couple seconds until it is placed.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I believe our post one was in a incorrect position.
That's the trouble with GPS. It's only accurate at best to a few meters anyway, right?
I believe it was off by 4 or 5 meters.
The camera should have been able to handle that, but whatever. All right, we need to get started. Are you ready?
Yeah, just get going. even
Okay,
if
we
the
can
game's
begin now.
All right.
Probably not going to have time for post 2, but you might want to have your guy double check post 2 before the rover gets there.
Okay. I really don't know why it's not turning right now. It knows it's going the wrong direction.
Sorry, repeat.
I was just. It knows it's going
Time
the wrong
is up.
direction. All right. Let's see if it's pointing in the right direction.
Yeah, let it run for a minute. Let's just see where it goes.
Oh my God, the antenna just fell off.
Oops.
All right, let's just stop it there.
That
All right,
might be
good
the
game,
end.
guys. Good game.
All right, good job in the end there. You drove that time and the last time you drove by it multiple times.
Yeah, I think it might
we
have
could
been our
see.
camera.
Yeah, we could see it going by and the post going by in the background, but it'd drive by it, do a 180, and then drive by it again, and never pointed right at it. But
All right, we'll work
we're
on
close.
it for next competition.
Yeah, good job though. All right.
Valiant effort.
Yeah.
Thanks. Sorry for taking the whole half hour to just debug code, but.
Oh, I think the best any team scored on this so far that I'm aware of is 10 points. So.
Sure.
You're in good company this year. But yeah, go find some of the videos from 2019. They weren't looking for AR tags; they were looking for tennis balls. But go find some of the people who scored well on this in 2019 and see if you can see their setups.
Yeah, will do. Yeah, go ahead and hang on. Let me just close all my windows. Yeah, go ahead and power off.
Okay. So I think we are good to conclude this session. So Husky Robotics will be up again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Mars Desert Time. That's Mountain Time. So 5 p.m. Mountain Time Zone. You can check our YouTube channel for the live stream. Thanks.
Thank you.
All right.